Dropout Detective is a student retention and success solution that integrates directly with Canvas. The program gives you access to a risk index of how likely it is that each of your students will drop out or fail their online courses. The program analyzes past and current behavior to predict future performance, helping you better assist your students for academic success. To access Dropout Detective at the administrative level, go to Admin, Springfield Public Schools, and in the left navigation menu, open Dropout Detective. Here you can see an overview of your students' performance ranked from most at risk to least. In the first column, you'll see a list of your students' names, and in the second column, you'll see the risk index. The index is color-coded with each color representing a risk level. You can filter these using the tabs above. High risk is red, medium risk is yellow, and low risk is green. The risk number ranges from 0 to 100, with 100 meaning the student is at high risk of dropping out or failing, and 0 meaning the student is performing well. For more information on why a student is at risk, click on their name from the Risk Index page. In the top left, you will see Last Login. This is the day and time the student last logged into Canvas. To the right, you can click on Send Message to email the students directly through Canvas. The email listed below is the student's email in eSchool. The Overview tab shows you a summary of the student's performance. Next to the course, you can see the student's current grade in that course. Missing assignment shows the number of assignments the student is missing based on the assignment due dates for the course. Once zeros are entered for assignments that have not been submitted, they will no longer show up as missing assignments. Because of this, a student may show few or no missing assignments when in actuality they have many. Last access and latest submission show the last time the course was accessed or an assignment was submitted. If there is no date listed, then the student has never submitted an assignment to the course. Latest submission can also be used as the date of last attendance for dropping a student. The next tab is Notes. Call-related notes should be entered every time an instructor makes contact with a student's parent. The Notes tab is a convenient way to review your own recent contact with a student. Under History, you can view a bar graph showing the history of the student's risk score over the last month. This is useful to see if the student's risk is going up or down. On Daily View, you can see the risk level for the past 30 days. You can also change the view to weekly or grades. In the grades view, you can see a line graph displaying each of the student's courses. To print, make sure you've selected the view you wish to see and click Print. The Contacts tab is a quick way to find contacts that are linked to individual students. You can also find observers, which are usually parents or guardians. To view the data on your school, it is recommended that you use building reports. To run a building report, in the top navigation, click on Reports. To generate a report, go to your advisor statistics and click Download. Please note that the report can take up to 10 minutes to generate. It is recommended that you refresh your page periodically to check if the report is ready. Once ready, you will see a notification at the top of the page with a link to access it. Click on Here to access the report, which will download it as a CSV file. When the download is finished, open the report. You can fully customize your report to your liking. However, we do recommend specific columns to delete, which you can see highlighted in the table. Those columns are as follows. Column C, Login ID, D, Email, E, Risk, F, Last Login, H, Course SIS, I, Section SIS, and column O, Course Last Access. Again, These are the recommended sections to delete. You are now left with a report similar to that which you received from the launch office. Here, you can see the student, the student's ID number, advisors, course, course grade, and course LDA. The advisors column shows you the student's counselor attached in the SIS system. Under courses, you can see a list of courses the student is enrolled in. Course grade is useful if you are using Canvas as your gradebook. One of the most important columns is Course LDA, which stands for Last Date of Activity. This column shows you the last time a student turned an assignment in. It's important to understand that a student can only land in the Course LDA column if they have actively submitted something in the course. If the student has not actively participated in the course, this section will not be populated. Again, you can filter and customize this report in whichever way you'd like. Please remember that Dropout Detective only updates once a day at 4 AM. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact support@fueledbylaunch.com.